Next topic, the Dutch East Indian Company. Dutch East Indian Company. The Dutch East Indian companies was started in this 1602. The Dutch under the several voyages from the 1596 and the formed by the Dutch English Indian companies in 1602. Mainly for this, the Dutch undertook the several voyages from the 1596 to they formed by the Dutch East Indian companies. Dutch East Indian companies in 1602, and in the 1605 the Admiral von der Hagen, Admiral von der Hagen, Asia, mainly for factories at the Machilipatnam. He established the factories for the Machilipatnam and and one more places, the Machilipatnams and the Betabolis. Another one is the Betabolis. The two important factories established. One is the Machilipatnam, another is Betabolis. And Devanapattinams is the importance of these factories found in the Dutch East Indian companies. In 1610, mainly for upon negotiating with the king of Sandragiri, they found another factories of this Pulicat. So they negotiated with the leaders in Sandragiri, the founded in the another factories in the Pulicat, and the exported by the Dutch were indigo and the Bengal raw silk. The Bengal raw silk is exported to the Dutch East Indian companies. Mainly in this topic, Dutch East Indian companies, the Pulicat was the headquarters of the Dutch in India. The Pulicat, the headquarters of the Dutch in India. So, in this topic, mainly the Dutch East Indian companies was the travel in several from the 1596 and formed in this Dutch East Indian companies 1602 and 1605. The Admiral von der Hagen is established the factories of this Machilipatnam and Betapoli and Devanapattinams. After that, in 1610, is negotiated with the Sandragiris and established the factories, the second factories in Pulicat. They exported the Dutch were the indigo and the raw of the Bengal raw silks. Another one is the next topic, the British. The British East Indian Company was started in 1600. The Queen Victoria gave the permissions mainly for the Queen Elizabeth, the granted the charter the East Indian Company on the South Asian coast. The Queen Elizabeth gave the granted the English East Indian Company in the southeast side in 31 December 106. 1600. On 31st December 1600, the Queen Elizabeth granted the charter to English East Indian companies on the South Asian coast. The English East Indian companies established Machilipatnam. First one is the Asia founded in Machilipatnam 1600. Another one is the Pulicat. in 1626. The another one is the golden fireman. The given the titles of the fireman, the golden fireman, that is the Pudigar in 1926. The golden, the Sultan of Golconda, Sultan of Golconda, the granted the English. The Sultan of Golconda, the granted the English in the golden fireman in 1632. The king of the port. In 1600, by the way, allowed to trade freely in the kingdom port. So 1632, the allowed to the trade for the British companies. Another one is the importance for the 1639, they established the Chennai, the Port St. George. At present for this 1639, they built a fortified the factories in Madras, which known as a Port St. George, which soon displayed the Machilipatnam headquarters of the English East Indian companies. The headquarters of the English, the settlement of the Coromandel Coast. The settlement of the Coromandel Coast. So in this topic, the English East Indian Company was started in the 1600. The Elizabeth, the Queen Elizabeth, the given the permissions. After that, is reached in India. The reach in India, 1611. They established the factory of the Machilipatnam. Established the factory in Machilipatnam, and after that, in Pulicat in 1626. Another one is the given the name, the free to trade. The Sultan of Golconda, the granted the English, the golden fireman in 1632. Golden fireman in 1632. Given the title, the pattam. யார் கொடுக்கறாங்க அப்படினா the Sultan of Golconda, which allowed the free trade in the kingdom of forts. Allowed to the port, the kingdom of port. In 1639, he established of this Port St. George is the importance. After that, the very soon the Machilipatnam headquarters of English, the settlement on the Coromandel Coast. The Machilipatnam is located in the Coromandel Coast is settlement. The settlement, one of the importance. Next topic, the Danish.